Bro, why is it so hard getting a taxi around here? Chat, I have a feeling that I might actually have to keep walking. But I don't want to like, I don't know where this is going. Okay, I'm just gonna cross the road really quickly now. I'm gonna wait there for a taxi. Okay, I'm just gonna wait. Like there's no traffic here. I'll be good. Oh, after this one. Yay. That was uncomfortable. Guys, I don't think I will ever come home. Maybe it's not smart for me to go to another location because I don't know for sure if I can come home. I don't know. That's nice. I would like to go there. Fireworks. You know what? I'm gonna walk. I will not die. I will walk it. I'm going to cancel booking again. I don't understand why. Why is it so hard to get a Grab? I don't want to be content for the rest of the world. To have fun for a few... Ew! I got drops on me from my AC or something. Godverdamme. Look at this. My whole arm is wet. From some random drop from the sky. I'm trying to keep it together here, guys. There were rats running in the restaurant. There was a freaking guy sneezing in my neck, and now I got a random drop on my arm. This is not for everybody. Oh my god, can't even talk anymore. Yo, I'm a bit scared. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I shouldn't be here, right? Look at that shady guy sitting there on a chair. I don't know if you can see that. Like, this is not a place for me, man. I shouldn't be here. Like, I wouldn't mind paying some random dude to do security for me right now. But, like, I don't know who. And probably, like, it will be even more riskier getting a random guy just following me and getting close to me in that way. You know what I mean? So I'm just not gonna do that. Nice car, bro. Okay, I am what? Wait, I should be... Okay, there's a zebra crossing. Huh? Oh, God. What is wrong with me? I shouldn't be here. That looks like somebody was murdered here. Somebody got murdered here. Okay, I'm walking the right way. How tall are you? Why do I get that question so much today? I am not very tall. I'm 162 centimeters. But I have a picture today that is an absolute catfish picture. Wait. Look at this. Wait, Look how tall my legs are. Do I look like 162 here? No, I don't think so. You look like you tower over the guys there. Maybe they're scared of you, bro. I'm so short. What do you mean? What do you mean? 6 minutes. Shit, I'm in such a nice place. Look at this. Ooh. How are people looking normal here? Like, I am sweating so much. Look how nice it is here.
Hello.
What? What is happening? Why are there cars in the middle of this road? I feel like cars shouldn't be allowed here. Guys, look at my face. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm sweating so much. Look at the lights. Yeah. What language is he speaking? Look at that. And fix what I've broken. Cause I need you. What the fuck? Are you serious? There was like a super incapable, sweet little baby that was clearly not doing okay on the floor. Why the hell did you guys see that? Nah, that upset me so badly. Like, why would you put him in the street like that? I am so sad right now. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was absolutely heartbreaking, and I feel super bad right now. Did you see it? We just missed it. I don't want to go back. I kind of like didn't even know if I should show that. There was a baby completely not okay, like showcased by his father on the street, like maybe for money? Damn.
pretty
Chat.
unfortunate. This is a holiday.
Huh?
So today's just a holiday.
Right now, yes.
Yeah, so
it's
normally
more
it's
busy than ever.
Yeah.
But I just feel uncomfortable because I have such a big backpack. I don't want to walk.
Here, is it Twitch?
Yes, I'm live on Twitch right now.
Gaming. Good luck there.
Thank you. Oh, finally, we can breathe. Yo, he knows, yes.
You know what? No, we've been hearing it.
Sorry?
We've been hearing it, so I just no. Not,
Your English is so good.
You too. Where are you from?
Netherlands.
I would have guessed you're Dutch.
Yeah.
I tend to see a lot of them.
I don't look like the typical white Dutch
No,
tall
you don't
girl with
sound
blue
like
eyes.
you don't sound like one too.
I haven't lived there for 8 years, so I'm like all around. But if you want to watch yourself back, my name is OutplayedByJade. Yes.
Picture
You
and
can take a picture.
I think it's.
So where are you from?
No, I'm from here.
From here.
But,
How is your English so good? One sec.
Hi everyone. I'm not
Hi.
sure. Where's everyone from? A different place or?
A lot of different places. We have 380 viewers right now, and they're from all over the world.
Commend you. Such work.
Yes, live streaming
It's
is.
not easy to keep everyone entertained and.
I'm actually super fun. No, I'm joking. No, honestly, anything happen here. You know, it's super spontaneous. So people love watching IRL streams in real life.
So you're bring them to Malaysia.
Exactly. I'm doing a quick visa run because I live in Bali.
Right.
So I'm just like quickly visiting. Oh, I missed my street. Where am I going? She found the security guy. Yes. Oh my god, I needed one today. Next time I go here.
Is it true Dutch like black color? Or is it just your
Black is so easy. It goes with everything. Who's talking?
Yeah.
Dutch like black? Wait, what? Is it a thing? But guys, I found my security guy. Finally. I went to the towers today. And it was so busy. Like, I wanted to cry.
Did you arrive today or yesterday?
Yesterday.
Very unfortunate because if you were a day earlier, I don't think the crowd would be as like for me. I'm overwhelmed right now.
Yes?
Because
Why are you here?
I don't know, just at dinner with friends and I don't like I like people but not crazy.
Yes, no,
I feel
same
like,
here. I feel very uncomfortable right now.
where are you trying to get to?
I already missed my turn, so the first right anyway.
Forward.
So I was supposed to go in backwards, but I don't want to go through it. So I'm just gonna go the first right. Or it might be better off going back. What do you think?
Are you trying to get?
I'm trying to get to some plaza.
Yeah, I think you missed it already.
Honestly, guys, I don't want to walk back. Do you think the street next to here on the right?
So I would just go all the way up here
and then go to the right.
But I think it's easier for you to turn back now.
No. Okay, well, thank you then. Thank you. Bye. Bye, bodyguard.
Bodyguard.
Okay, I'm gonna have to go back, guys. I missed my turn. We are walking back. I hope my phone will recognize soon that we are walking backwards now. Sweat is dripping in places I didn't even know sweat could reach. It's not the best commercial for Malaysia I've made today because it's a public holiday. Okay, I'm gonna go left now. If I can, even. I don't know. Guys, I can finally move. Wow, there's nobody in front of me. Like, why would you use a baby? It breaks my heart, absolutely. To put him in the street like that. Okay, I know that he's probably like putting together money for a treatment, and I respect that. But it's just like it broke my heart. Alice, like I hope he's spending it on his baby. No, of course I'm not gonna confront him. What he's doing is wrong. I'm alone here. That's dangerous. I think he knows. I don't know. I don't want to engage any danger. Like, situation is not my country. I don't know how many people know him around. What others do is none of your business. Yeah, I agree with that. But putting a baby that is very unwell in the middle of the street of a million people crossing a day to get donations, and I don't know where that's going. Like, the baby was proper not okay. Like, I didn't like to see it. Anyways, I think, oh, we are here, ladies and gentlemen. This is where I'm going. Oops, sorry. This is where I gotta go. This is like everything with IT stuff. Finally. Anyway, we're here, finally arrived. Oh. And I have so many places where I can keep my stuff safe. It's still big. Let's bring my backpack. Okay, I will get it. It does look cool, right? So, before I go... Oh, I need... Enough using my card today, guys. Too much. Hello!
Hey! You
did that on purpose.
Screen, right?
You want to say hi.
No, I thought you used a real screen.
No, okay, so let me just get everything ready. I quickly want to put this and then I go. Thank you, bye-bye. Okay. Say, oh, I forgot my backpack. I need to go back up again. Literally forgot the backpack that I just bought. Oh my god. Maybe he already closed the shop and I'll never see them again. Okay, before they close. Thank you. Thank you. Imagine. He already came to me. He's like, what the hell? It is time to go home. Jade officially is becoming a moron. He's like, you pay and then you leave. So, but soon we're getting into a taxi. Okay, I will now check for a taxi. Anyway, I don't know how to handle money. I spend money like a crazy person always. Where to? I would like to go to, what's my hotel called again? Arte by Thomas Chan. God, if you thought I was getting stared at in the day, I'm getting stared at in the night. How does one go home from here? Seriously. There's so many shops still open, I'm like shocked. Oh my god, I'm seeing available taxi. I want. But that guy looks scary. He doesn't see me. He doesn't see me. Fuck. Maybe I'll make it? Should I try? I can try. The red taxi. I'm just gonna walk and hopefully he doesn't drive away. Okay guys, we're gonna go in this taxi. Hi. Hello. You're available? Yes? To Arte by Thomas Chan. Yes? So, Arte by Thomas Chan.
Thomas Chan, yeah. Thomas 60 ringgit today.
60?
60, yeah.
Today?
Yeah.
You do 50?
Okay, can no problem.
50, okay. Alright, sir. 50, yes?
Yeah.
This is for you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good day, yeah?
You too. Bro, I have so much stuff on me. It's insane. So, I need to go with the elevator, guys. Elevator level 60. I think the bar is upstairs in level 66. Yeah. Yeah, we had 600. Shit. That's my phone. We had 600 viewers at one point. 600. That's insane, if you ask me. Oh wow, my phone case was like falling off. Okay. It's open.